Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So today I've got this new massage gun. It's called the RecoverFun Mini. Now I've reviewed a lot of massage guns in the past. I'll have a link of them all in the description below. But this one stood out to me because this is probably one of the world's smallest mini massage guns. Now something so tiny like this can even fit in your pocket. But not just that. It's actually the same level of intensity as all of my previous massage guns, and I'm talking the large, powerful ones. Now this also goes up to 3,200 percussions per minute, which is on the same level as all of the other industry leading brands in a similar space. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and give you an unboxing, see what it comes with, see the specs on this, try it out on myself, and give you a review of how it performs. So let's get straight into it. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. As you can see on the front, it actually tells you there's two color options that it comes with. It's black and red. So I've chosen to go with the red one. I think it's just a bit more quirky. It stands out, it's more vibrant. It's something different as well. Let's go ahead and then look in the box. So you have the user manual with instructions. You've got this nice little carry case and this fabric one. So these are really convenient to take this around because it is quite small. So it's very handy to put in your backpack. Now you have four different heads that come with this. You have the flat red head, which is going to be complementing the actual red body. Then you have the ball head, you have the fork, and then you have the bullet. Then you also have the USB charging cable. And the one thing I really like about this, it is USB-C. So it is on trend to be top of the range industry standard. A lot of my previous massage guns are either power adapted or they come with the micro USB charging. So I'm going to put this red head in there, which is quite a funny name. I've just given that name myself, to be honest. It's very heavy duty, it's metal, it's solid. It's not the lightest, it is quite heavy. It weighs just half a kilogram, but from end to end it is 14 centimeters, so it is very compact. And it does have a brushless motor with silent force technology, so it only goes up to 48 decibels, which is actually pretty quiet. In terms of the battery life, it is 2,600 milliamp battery, which gives you about maybe 5 hours, and it takes about an hour and a half to fully charge. So you've got the power button, you just hold it down for a couple of seconds to turn it on, and then you have the four different speed levels here to generate between 1800s to 3,200 percussions per minute. Level 1 is 1800, level 2 is 2400 RPM, level 3 is 2800 RPM, and then level 4 is the fastest, which is 3200 RPM. A lot of my massive massage guns that I have and reviewed in the past are all maximum 3200 RPM as well. So this is great to be on that standard in such a small size. So that's everything that comes in the box, and that's a little bit of the information around the specs. So now let's go ahead and try this out. Right, so if you're the type of person that goes to the gym often and then you get some muscle aches or you're feeling sore and you just want to iron out some of those knots, if you're a sports person or an athlete, you play football or something like that, this is the perfect little companion to take with you in your backpack. And I use this for a lot of my sort of soreness and muscle aches when I come back training hard at the gym, and it just really works, and I really live by some of these massage guns. So I'm going to try this out, turn this on. So this is level 1, as you can see with the blue indicator. It's so silent. I'm going to put this towards the microphone actually. So the microphone is just above my head. It's probably going to be very hard to hear. And then I'm going to put it to level 2. Level 3. And then finally the fastest one, level 4. Now if I was in a noisy environment outdoors, maybe I'm playing football in the park and I want to use this, or I'm in the gym and there's some music playing in the background, I guarantee you will not hear this. You can hear it now because it's a very quiet room here, but it's so tiny and it's so quiet, most people won't even realize that you actually have a massage gun with you or you're even using one. So I've put it back to level 1. I'm just going to put it to level 4 on the maximum, try it out. And in fact, using the metallic red head rather than some of the original ball heads that come with it, which you find in pretty much all the other massage guns, this one, it feels quite cold because of the metal material on it, the aluminium alloy, but actually it feels so smooth, and it feels like it's doing a bit of a better job because you can press a little bit harder and it won't hurt that much. So I tend to use this on my arms and specifically on my legs as well, because I do play football from time to time. And pressing this on my quads, it actually feels very nice, very smooth. But not just that, I think the main selling point on this is the size of it, because it's got such a natural grip on it. If you hold it like this, or you just hold it like that, you can easily get a very strong grip and go even deeper into your muscles. And it's so easy to massage yourself without the need for anyone to help you out. Now, of course, if you wanted to aim a little bit in towards the middle of your back or the top of your back, then you're going to need someone else to help you out, because it is quite small. It doesn't have sort of an extension pole on it, or it's not large enough for you to reach those types of areas. But the areas that you can reach with this, it just works, and I'm really happy with it. So I will be using this as my main massage gun going forward. And the other selling point about this is that you can easily take this with you abroad. So if you do go on holidays, you just chuck it into your backpack or even in your suitcase, and then you're all set to go. It doesn't even take up much space, so it's very convenient to take with you. It's the perfect travel companion for people that do like to do a lot of sports, a lot of traveling, a lot of walking, you know, anything like that. It's just something you need to have. So for me, I'm very happy with this purchase, and I do recommend this to anyone that does like to use these types of percussion massage guns. Alright guys, so I hope you liked that review. Of course, if there's anything else you'd like to know, drop a comment below. Check out my Instagram @trainingreviews. Otherwise, I hope you